Good morning, everybody. Jordan here with Trav and J Outdoors. I'm currently in the middle of the lake on a trip without Travis today. Over in the distance, you can see Chad, aka my brother-in-law, aka 270 Fishing. He invited me to come along with him on his Kayak Bass Fishing tournament. We're up here in eastern Tennessee in the mountains. Very beautiful sunrise going on right now. Almost 6 a.m. so we're about to get started. That's when the lines are in. So I'm not actually entering the tournament. I'm just here to support him, film, and just fish for fun. But yeah, we're about to get started, so let's see what we can catch.
Hey guys, 270 Fishing. We're up here, just put in at Douglas Lake. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Time to check in. Lines out at 1 o'clock. Awards at 2. Let's see if we can get on some big ones, guys.
Yeah, I've seen him jumping. I said I've seen him jumping. And next time we cross, you're pulling me. I said next time we cross, you're pulling me.
We're not gonna cross. If you want to go ahead and hang out, or if you want to go ahead and go that way, we're gonna head down towards the bridge. There's a cut that goes back in. We're gonna go in there.
So you've just had one bite.
So far, a lot of damn fish jumping.
Alright guys, so we are about 3 hours into the tournament. It's almost 9 o'clock and neither of us have caught anything yet. You know, it's a new lake, neither of us have fished before, so that's all we can say about that right now. But we still got time. We have till 1 o'clock. So plenty of time left to catch some fish, so hoping things turn around here going forward. Alright guys, Chad caught a fish. Oh!
Alright guys, first Douglas Lake bass, 15 1/4. Come off of a half-ounce swim jig head and swim bait. Let's go out and get some more.
Alright guys, it is noon here. We've officially been on the water for 6 hours. And still just, Chad has the one fish that I know of. He actually took off about an hour ago and kind of went and hit some more spots pretty hard just to try to finish it out. We have about an hour left. So hopefully he gets his 5 fish. But I'm still skunked for the day. You know, I'm gonna keep throwing the line out for the next hour, but not looking good. But that's all right. Some days it's just not your day. All right, guys. So I got hung up, and it turns out I caught another person's lure. I really wonder if this is Chad's from earlier. I mean, under the water and everything, I pulled this up, and I thought I was hung, which, yeah, I was, because it was on a lure. Alright guys, so we're here for day 2 of our trip to, I forgot the name of the lake, but out here in the mountains. Still just the one fish yesterday, so we're going again today, and we just got in the water. Really beautiful morning out here. caught a fish. Finally. Finally. Here we go. Got one.
You can't do the same routine. It's, to me, it's nuts, but it's all part of the media obligations that both teams have.
Absolutely, absolutely. Now, Coach, this has been great. As you know, I consider Coach Bass.
All right, back in the water.
I want to let you enjoy your Sunday, but before we get out of here, due to my love